Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you the top 5 mind-blowing AI features that you can use on your iPhone 17. So, actually the first one is when you open the settings. Here, if you scroll down to the camera, you can find camera control. Scroll all the way down and make sure that the present hold for launch visual intelligence is enabled. Now, once done, hold here this camera shutter button. Now, as you can see here, we do have our camera preview. Now you can just take a photo of anything that you just want. For example, let me take quickly the photo of the SIM card ejector here, and you can either search this image on the internet for the same product or ask GPT what that is. This is mind-blowing for me actually. So that's how it works. The next thing is when we open Notes, we can, for example, select some text over here, tap this AI button, here tap either rewrite, proofread, friendly, professional, concise, like tones. If we want to change something in this text, generate a summary, generate key points, list, or a table. That's very, very nice. Let me, for example, tap rewrite. It's completely rewritten now. Tap this tick icon to confirm, and now this is the second thing. The third thing is when you open photos, open some photo that you want to edit. For example, let me remove something from maybe not this photo, not this one. Let me remove, this will be difficult for our AI, this one. Let me remove this thing over here. Tap these 3 lines, tap clean up, and wait a moment. Here, just need to brush it, and it should disappear in a moment. But of course you need to do this correctly, and remember, this is Apple Intelligence, it sometimes doesn't work well. But this is mind-blowing that we can use it. I am in love. So, this is the next thing. The fourth thing in this device is that when we, for example, open the Siri, we can easily tell 3 things at once, and it will just automatically make the summary of it. For example, Siri, make me set an alarm for 2 p.m. or no, maybe 3 p.m. Hey, set me an alarm for today at 2 p.m. or, pardon me, 3 p.m. Didn't work now, but let me do this again. Siri, set me an alarm for 2 p.m. or no, maybe 3 p.m. at 3 p.m. As you can see, now it works. You just have to say it clearly. Apart from that, we do have the final thing, which is very, very nice on this device, and it's when we go to the settings. Here, go back, scroll all the way down to the apps. We can find phone, and phone is in the letter P. If we scroll all the way down, we can find here screen unknown colors. Tap ask reason for calling, and AI will automatically ask the caller why is he calling. And that's it, how it helps you, and goodbye.